So now we have to construct 16 cross 1 mux by making the use of 8 cross 1 mux. Okay, after that we will see how we can form 10 cross 1 mux using the 4 cross 1 mux. Okay, so we will continue with this one. Okay, so now we have to form 16 cross 1 by making the use of 8 cross 1 mux. Okay, so simply 8 to the 16. So here from this calculation, I already in the previous lecture I explained you how I calculate. So for this I use 8 cross 1 mux, and there is 2 cross 1 mux is required for this thing. Okay, so very simple. So you already know that for this thing, if 16 cross 1 mux is formed, how many selective lines is there? 2 raised to the power 4 a is equal to 16. So how many selective lines? 4 selective lines you will use to construct this 16 cross 1 mux. Okay, so for 3 selective line is used for the 8 cross 1 mux, and 1 is for 2 cross 1 mux. Okay, now I am going to form this thing. So for 16 cross 1 mux, how you will make I0 to I15 over here, and you will get the output Y, and these are the selective lines. Okay, S3, S2, S1 or S0, like 4 selective lines are there. Like this 16 cross 1 mux is formed. Okay, so how you can construct this one? Simply you have to emit initially, you have to emit 8 cross 1. This is 8 cross 1 and this is 2 cross 1, and now I0 to up to just go to I7 over here, and now construct here I8 to I15. Okay, this is I15. So like this initial select lines are there, and from that you will put it into the next 2 cross 1 mux. Here you are going to put the MSB over here, and here you will get, okay, you just make 3 lines. Okay, so this is S0, S1, S2, and this is S3. Okay, now whenever you give 1101, okay, so how this is going to be happen? Simply it is going to be select 101. Okay, so this is 101 because this is S3 and this is S0. So 101 is going to be there, so it will be select 5th line over here. Okay, this is the 6th actually, because it is starting from I0. Okay, so it will be select I6 over here. Okay, and from there I6, whatever the I6 pin is over there, it will select from there. So 2 outputs will come over here, since S3 is going to be 1 over here. Okay, so this is going to be select over here. So like that you are able to get this thing. Okay, this is 1101. So whatever it is going to be, so simply this is going to be 14, whatever it is here. Okay, I14, this is going to be selected over, and it will come out at the output end. Okay, so like this 2 data will come, and on the base of the MSB, okay, it will select this thing and you will get at the output. Okay, so like this you can do. This is quite simple. Okay, if any doubt you can ask me. Okay, now come back to the second question. So this is quite difficult because you need to put some extra circuit, extra efforts for this one. Okay, because here you need to make 10 cross 1 mux by making the use of 4 cross 1 mux. Okay, so let's start with this one. Okay, so first 10 cross 1 mux, it means I0 to I9 you have to make, and after that okay, and on the basis of this thing you have to get output. Okay, so first of all, how much lines are needed? So let's start with this one. So first of all we need to find it out how many. So 10 cross 1 mux over 4 cross 1. Okay, so 4 2 is 8. Okay, so 4 cross 1 mux you can take. Okay, and 1 you need to take 2 cross 1 mux. Okay, but here on the availability is 4 cross 1 mux. Okay, so 2 cross 1 mux is not provided over here. So like this you need to do. So for it means you have to take 3 4 cross 1 mux. Okay, and you have to manage like that. It will be first whatever 1 4 cross 1 mux, it will be act as 2 cross 1 mux only. Okay, let's start with this thing. Okay, so before continuing we just need to form some table. Okay, I already done this one. Okay, so you can just simply, this is I0 to I, this is all the possibility on the basis of the selected line up to I9. I have put it over I9. This is I0, I1, I2, and 4 cross 1 mux, another 4 cross 1 mux. After that there is one 4 cross 1 mux, and but problem is there. Here you will get 8 inputs. You can put 8 inputs. I0 to, okay, I0 to I7 you can put over here, okay, and it is required in 9. Okay, so again you will get this thing. Again, this is actually 4. You can just take it out, two inputs. Okay, so this is S1 S0, and you will put S2 S3. Okay, so again these two inputs are empty over here. Okay, you can see that here the last two values like this, we have to be taking care of this thing, because I8 has to be selected at whenever 1000 is there, and for whenever 1001 is there, I9 to be selected. Okay, so what is common in that, this is going to be common. Okay, so we are going to be making use of this is 10 over here. Okay, and we have to make some logic. Okay, this is 10, this has to be changed. Okay, as 0 is going to be play a role, because whenever 0 is there, it should be select 8. Whenever I1 is there, it is going to be select S9. Okay, so like this, some extra circuit we need to put it over here. Okay, so how we can form this one? So I'm going to again simplify this thing. This is I'm going to make. So simply we have to be 4 cross 1 mux over here, 4 cross 1 mux over here. This is I0 to I, this is I3, and this is something I4 to I7. Okay, okay, like this you will form. Okay, these two mux are there. Okay, you will select sorry, two lines are there. So this is S1 S0. Now output coming from these will come to this mux. Okay, again this we have to take MSB over here, S3 S2, and this is I0 and I1. Again you need to be check it out, this thing, that whatever you are considering over here, this is 1010, and in the S0 01 is there. Okay, so simply what you need to do, you need to put one extra circuit. Okay, this is I3 and this is I4 for this selection, and I'm going to use this thing like this. I'm going to 2 NAND gate, and one is going to be here I8, and this is I9, and one NOT gate is going, I'm going to put like S0. Okay, whenever S0 is going to be 0, this is going to be select this thing. And okay, so whenever S0 is there, it is going to be select this thing. If S1 is there, it is going to be select this thing, and we have to put some extra circuit over here, so that it can only generate S, and this is S3 S2 as 10 only, up to 10 00 01 10. It should not generate 11. Okay, so like that we need to make this circuit. So that circuit can be enabled by the special circuit. Okay, so simply how you can generate this circuit, only 10. Okay, 00 01 10, and for this we need to take care, because 11 should not be there. Okay, for this what we need to do, we should take care of this one. Whatever it is coming, 1 should not come at this. Okay, okay, whenever 1 is there, whenever 1 is there at S, so 1 is not come there at the S2. So for that, how can we make this circuit? You simply take a complement of this thing. Okay, and again this is S3, you can make S3, you can just make S2 over here, and you have to put this circuit in this diagram. Okay, then you will get this circuit like this. Okay, and hope you will got this circuit. Okay, otherwise you can make this thing like you just make 3 mux. You can also do like this. You can just make 3 4 cross 1 mux like this. You can take one extra mux. Okay, and you need to put it one free, don't care. Again you need to select 3 lines over here. Okay, from this 4 pins are there, 4 pins are also there, 4 pins are there, but only 2 has been used. You will put 2, don't care. Okay, so like this you can also generate by making the use of 3 4 cross 1 mux. So you 4 cross 1 mux. Okay, so like this you can also do, but this is something you can put some extra circuit and you can get the output. Okay, so if you like, hope you will understand. If any queries there, just please implement full adder and the full subtractor using 4 cross 1 mux. Okay, hope you will do that. We will see in the next lecture.